Let's take a look at the weather with Kirstine. I'm glad to see you're in the spirit of things.
Indeed. It's looking very unsettled though, Laura, over the next few days. Good evening to you. Yes, low pressure very much driving our weather once again this week. However, if you're heading out guising this evening, expect some outbreaks of rain to linger along the west coast and across the north. Otherwise, something drier for a time with clear periods before the next batch of rain moves in from the south and works its way through eastern Scotland during the early hours. A mild night with lows of around 8 Celsius and winds easing. To tomorrow, and we have these bands of rain moving northeastwards during the morning, lingering across the Northern Isles into the afternoon. However, brighter skies following on across much of the rest of the country, with some sunshine developing too, but it'll be a windy afternoon, especially so around the Western Isles, the northwest coast and the Northern Isles, with strong to gale force gusts developing here, driving in some showers, especially to northwestern areas. The rain will linger across Shetland for a time, and temperature-wise we're coming down to around the average for the time of year. Tomorrow evening the rain clears Shetland. Showers will become really quite frequent for a time before easing during the early hours as a ridge of high pressure moves in. However, that's fairly short-lived. Low pressure takes over once again on Wednesday. Outbreaks of heavy rain and high winds. Indeed, the Met Office has issued a yellow warning for southwestern coastal areas, as the wind could prove disruptive on Wednesday afternoon in particular. It's a dry start though across much of the country. That rain then begins to move in during the morning, turning heavy and persistent with blustery showers following on. The winds strengthening all the while, severe gales developing around western coastal areas. To the end of the week, and low pressure begins to move away, a ridge of high pressure builds in, just settling things down a little. For Thursday, we're expecting some scattered showers, especially so across western and northern areas. Lighter winds, and again, temperatures around the average for the time of year. That's the forecast. Back to you, Laura.
Okay, thanks, Kirstine. Now, tonight's main news again. The Home Secretary, Suella Braverman, is under further pressure tonight over gross overcrowding at a migrant centre in Kent.